This video covers grower recommendations for PanAmerican Seed's new Precision Multi-Pellet products. First, we'll cover sowing. Precision multi-pellets can be sown using the same methods as clay pellets, by hand, using vacuum heads, or with a drum or needle seeder. Each precision multi-pellet will be slightly larger and heavier than a clay pellet with the same seed composition. To compensate for this, an adequate level of vacuum suction and larger gauge vacuum heads are necessary. The divots in the precision multi-pellet will not affect sowing. If utilizing a drum seeder, be sure to fill the hopper at least 2 pellets deep at the point of contact with the drum. This ensures that a pellet will fill each slot on the drum. Adjusting the hopper to sit at a higher angle may help accomplish this. For use with a needle seeder, vacuum cups must be fitted to each needle in order to avoid splitting pellets. Water management is similar to that of a clay pellet. Simply water in pellets and follow the recommended crop culture. To learn more about PanAmerican Seed's new precision multi-pellets, be sure to watch the first video in this series, an overview of PanAmerican Seed's precision multi-pellet technology. And review our best practices document on the PanAmerican Seed website.